Am I okay? Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. I am your host Eric, and today we just got Lalo. Alright. Okay, there you go. Still working on the internet problems. Alright, so Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Here it is. Here it is. We are greedy still. 62. We're at 62. So, hey, is your mic working, Lalo? No, you're muted. I think you're muted.
I'm mute.
No, there you go. There you go. Better.
I muted myself? Or no?
I don't know. You worry. It went extra silent.
Oh.
So,
My bad.
yeah. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, Bitcoin. Bitcoin halving. You know what I feel like doing? I feel like putting the whole Zelda thing with the countdown. You guys have 288 days, 13 hours, 31 minutes, and 15 seconds to get yourself some Bitcoin.
Are you talking about the moon one?
Yeah, the moon one.
Moon crash?
Like I feel like doing little shorts with the Zelda thing, with the Zelda's theme song with the moon on the countdown.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna start doing that. Oh, so what were you saying about the whole NFT movement with the K-pop, with the Korean pop industry?
I don't know if it's a movement, but I mean they have like they partner up with an application and they were giving out an NFT for free just for signing up. You know, I guess they're using the name of the K-pop groups that are available there, you know, to get more people into their ecosystem and maybe build something. I mean, there is a lot of money. There are already people that bought, like there have been other K-pop groups in there already, and there are already people that have purchased NFTs from different K-pop groups. So right now it's pretty good, and Stacy was just at it, so that's the only reason I got it, or I even know about it.
So how do you find this information? Like people that are interested in Korean pop music.
Well, that's the thing. You have to actually be interested in K-pop.
Yeah.
And then you would have to wait to even get a free one. You would have to wait for the K-pop group, if it's even partnered with the application, for them to partner up with the app, and then they tell you, like, you follow the Twitter account, and then they'll tell you, here's the link. You can, like, if you follow the link, then you'll get the free NFT. If not, then
You miss out.
you really can't get it. Yeah, you really can't get it unless you follow the group. Yeah, dude.
All right, cool.
It's tough.
I'm gonna give me a Stacy one. Or is it too late?
Dude, you should check it out. Maybe you can still get one. I'm not even lying.
Yeah, I'll check it out after the recording. Do I just on Twitter I just go Stacy and try to look for the official one, of course.
Yeah. They have the
little check mark.
They have like the little check mark. You'll see the check mark. Yeah.
I'm gonna check it out. All right, so I'm gonna check out the market. What's going on with Bitcoin? So it's pretty much not doing much. We're just going what do you call it?
Pretty much, no?
We're just going sideways.
Stable, neutral. It's not moving up or down too much to make a difference.
Yeah. So we got this range going on right here. Yeah. Hold on. Let me try. Okay, let me delete it. Actually, I'll leave that on. Let me put the Fibonacci retracement. Where's it at? Okay. So yeah. So we're pretty much just gonna be bouncing around the Fibonacci retracement, this yellow line. So we're probably just gonna be doing one of these, and then probably going like that, and until we actually get a pattern or we see something in the news, depending. But yeah, it looks like we're just gonna go sideways for a while. Let me see what this indicator's predicting. Okay, so this indicator is predicting that we're gonna drop down to $28,000 is what this indicator is predicting. Let me see this other indicator. Oh, I'm in the 4-hour. Hold on. Okay, so in the 4-hour, it looks like we're gonna drop down to 28,000. It's I guess the lowest that we could get in the short term. But in the long term, this thing's predicting almost $34,000, $34,000 Bitcoin. Like I said, these are all probabilities, so nothing's guaranteed. But we could see a 28,000 Bitcoin drop for like a short time, and then we'll probably bounce back to 34, according to this indicator. Because right now I can't really predict anything because I'm not personally seeing any patterns. But according to this indicator, we could see a high of 34,000, and if it doesn't go that way, we could see a low of 22,000. So that's what that thing's predicting. Let's see this one. So right now we got this yellow dot, which means that we're still either going sideways or still dropping. And we have this this red thing, which is the money flow. We're still in the negative. We're still, a lot of money is not coming in to the market. In the 4 hour, in the short term, it's green. So short term, we could see we could see like a small pump, but in the long term, we're still not in the green. So yeah. So in conclusion, we either see 34,000 or 22,000. Well, either or.
Yeah, increments of like $4,000.
Yeah. Yeah, there really isn't much to analyze right now. We really got no concrete pattern that I'm seeing. Actually, yeah, I'm seeing a pattern. I just noticed one right now. Let me get rid of all of these indicators. Hold on. I just spotted one right now. Yeah, right here. Let me just clear all of this out. Okay, so I'm noticing this one. Where is it at? So we got this one, we got the cup. So in theory, if we get another one, like another leg down to like how it said 28,000, remember I said 28,000, and then we bounce up. Let's say we drop down to 28,000, how that indicator was predicting. We would have a cup and handle. And from the cup and handle, let's see what price prediction we'll get from the cup and handle. $38K, according to this pattern.
No, yeah, so the other one, you were right then. Yeah, it's like a 28, and then from 28 to 34.
Yeah, so it's ballpark 34. This pattern is 30. We still don't even have the handle yet, so we can't even count this theory in. We don't even have the handle yet. We just have the cup. So we don't even have this pattern yet. So maybe 34 could be a high. Who knows? Have you been looking into anything on the whole brick system and all of that, or the Yuan?
There hasn't been much things unless you actually got something.
I got something, because I know Argentina was buying dollars because of their because their currency is kind of booty. They have a really bad inflation.
Worse than booty. Terrible. Like, it's so bad. Even if you're rich, it's bad.
So right here, I guess the Argentina allows banks to open Yuan accounts. Economist says it could boost Chinese currency as a safe haven alternative to the dollar. So yeah, the Central Bank of Argentina has officially included the Chinese yuan as a recognized currency for making deposits and bank accounts. Opening Yuan accounts could attract more people and enterprise to exchange Argentinian peso to yuan as more or less a safe haven currency instead of exchanging all of their local currency to US dollars, economy explained. So yeah, slowly getting away from the dollar. Slowly getting away from the dollar. So we got this guy, Tim Draper. He's predicting a 2050 $250,000 Bitcoin. And his prediction is I believe he said 2 years from now. Yeah, maybe 2 years. If I could highlight this, yeah. It says, so much for my predictable abilities. It is June 30, 2023 when Bitcoin was 4,000. I predicted it would reach 250,000, a 60x. By now, it has only reached 30k, which is a 7x. So I guess I have to wait a little longer, maybe 2 years, but engineers are hard at work. So pretty much all this told me was that his prediction wasn't accurate last time.
So he predicted, but when was this prediction? Did he say when
he was predicting
December 31, 2022, that is 250,000 by 20.
when did he predict this? Oh, by 2022. Yeah, 2022. So last year, and it didn't come true.
Dang. Oh, so last year to this year, right? That's. Now believes it could be at the end of it. Okay.
So yeah, I believe by the end of 2024, it'll be high. But I still don't think it'll be 250. I believe it'll be like more like 100 or 150 is what I believe. Like Bitcoin at 100k, or a little bit over 100k by next year, the end of next year. I think it's doable.
If maybe I don't know, maybe 2025 is right, because wouldn't the new president would be in the White House by then?
Yeah, so usually by the end of the presidential election, so during the presidential election it'll drop, and then once we get our president, it usually comes back up again, and that's what, around November, I believe. So yeah, I guess 2025 is more.
It is November 2024. November is the elections.
Yeah, so we usually see a big dip, so that's when you buy, is when the whole presidential election happens, and we see a big decrease. That's a good time to buy, because a lot of people are panicking because they don't know what the future is, which I think is kind of dumb. But like, hey, if you're in the profit, why not sell, right?
Yeah.
And try to get in cheaper.
Money.
So I guess something is going on with Litecoin. I really don't follow Litecoin that much because I really don't care about it. But I guess there's a lot of people that still care about Litecoin, and Litecoin's been going up.
Real, wasn't it like $50?
I don't know where Litecoin is at. Let me check.
I think I remember it was like $50. Is that at 100?
Yeah, it's 113.
Damn.
Yeah.
I think it was like, yeah, dude. I think it was like at 50 or $30. That's crazy.
I could check the chart right now. Let me see where it's at. Hopefully, I'm still logged in. Yeah, cause I don't really follow Litecoin. Like, I really don't care about it.
I don't think we've ever talked about Litecoin, to be honest, except for when like we try to get it in like the profiles.
Yeah, cause people compare it. They say that it's the silver to Bitcoin's gold. And remember, I said that in theory, Litecoin should be, I guess, ×4 of whatever Bitcoin's price is. So right now, like, Litecoin is extremely, extremely undervalued. If we go the whole route of being,
comparing silver,
yeah,
and gold. Right. But yeah, damn. Oh, that was big. That was Bitcoin.
Yeah, dude, it was Bitcoin was like $40.
Litecoin was $40.
Yeah, in June of 2022, though. In March it was. So in December it was $60, $60, $70.
Say May, yeah, almost like a year. I guess we can say like a year, because in May it was like what did you say? $40 last year in May.
Yeah, June last year. So pretty much last year it was $40. So if you would have invested in Litecoin for a whole year, you would have doubled your money with Litecoin in just 1 year,
$70.
which is a 100% gain. The stock market is usually 7%. So keep that context.
That's kind of rare. I'm not gonna. for it to go up that much?
In the bear market. This is a bear market.
Yeah, $70. Dang.
So I guess this article is explaining why is it up. Yeah, it's saying Litecoin price hits 14-month high. So it took 14 months before it broke above the previous high of 14 months ago. So let's see, Bitcoin ETF applications. So furthermore, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF filings with the ACC, which prompted other financial institutions to do the same, has given Litecoin and other crypto assets a boost. It jumped over 60%. That's
since June 15 last year. Wow.
Yeah, that's nuts. Litecoin's daily relative strength was above 70 in July. No, that's just analyzing. I don't really care about this. Yeah, I guess it has to do with the whole ETF thing. Why Litecoin rose up? Cause there's two types of two ways in which you secure the network. A blockchain, which is proof of work and proof of stake. And Bitcoin is a proof of work blockchain, which makes it like really safe. And Litecoin is another one that's a proof of work, which makes it like very valuable. But yeah, but I don't know, man. What do you think about Litecoin? Are you tempted to buy some Litecoin or not?
That's, I mean, but it's pointless now, right? But
no, cause cause Litecoin's all-time high.
What was it? But to go that much up, you know.
Yeah, Litecoin's all-time high is $400, 410. So if you invest now, you could multiply your money times 4. And if it ever catches up to the market cap of Bitcoin, then that means that you divide Bitcoin's price by 4, which would be, what's 30 divided by 4? 8 grand? Almost. Litecoin should be around $8,000. Not 100. Litecoin should be worth around $8,000. But that's like if people trust in Litecoin, because it's a system that's way faster than Bitcoin. It's way faster than Bitcoin. But people don't believe in Litecoin. They're like the Bitcoin maximalists. They're like, oh, all they believe is Bitcoin, and they're building what's called the Lightning Network, so it could be faster. So, and I heard
Litecoin is also a currency, right?
Litecoin, yes. That's all it's for, is currency. But I heard that the Cardano team wants to help make Litecoin better. So that'll be interesting if it does happen. And I think another thing that Litecoin, the Litecoin development, they did something with the Wimble or something like that, where your transactions are private. So it's turning into a privacy coin.
I mean, there's 2 top 10 coins working together.
So yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on with Litecoin. Yeah, I didn't even pay attention to Litecoin, but yeah, it doubled. Here's an interesting one that you might like. So Ubisoft is getting involved in blockchain. So Assassin's Creed game maker Ubisoft is developing an original tactical RPG on PC. So yes, it says Ubisoft was one of the first major traditional game publishers to begin playing with blockchain tech years ago, and the creator of Assassin's Creed and Just Dance has continued to explore the space despite gamer backlash. Now the studio has revealed its next Web3 game, which is this one, player versus player RPG. So we're getting gaming now, like from legit, like traditional gaming publishers. They're getting involved in blockchain. So hopefully they get involved in like a blockchain where it's public and not like its own private thing, because then it'll be worthless. You know, like if they put it like in, let's say, the Ethereum network, then you could sell your NFTs for Ethereum or for whatever coin that you like. But because if they do their own blockchain, it's kind of pointless.
Be free to do shit. It's gonna be controlled by the government.
Yeah. Well, they have a trailer.
That's more of a teaser trailer, but
Yeah.
right?
Oh yeah, it's like a teaser right there. It says teaser.
Yeah.
I was about to say, like, well, what is this?
Yeah, it looks like a Divinity. I guess it's gonna be like.
I'll be down to play this if it's like Divinity. It says, here's something. Gaming Tactics will be Ubisoft's first game built on, what was that, Oasis? A game-centric blockchain network that has attracted the interest of other gaming giants like Square Enix, Sega, and Bandai Namco last fall. Interesting. I guess those are for people that are into gaming, which we are.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Square Enix, Final Fantasy.
Yeah, it would be cool if they put NFTs in Final Fantasy. What is it, 14?
That's a lot. That whole game could be an NFT.
Yeah, that would be cool though.
Not
Like
even
I'll be so down.
The houses would be NFT, or all the stuff that you can make in the game. You know, you can build like clothes and weapons and stuff.
Yeah, dude. Like that'll be NFTs. That'll be so cool.
Yeah, that's.
Well, here's something pretty cool. So, Coinbase will be surveillance partner for Fidelity and other Bitcoin ETFs.
Okay.
So what's cool about this one? Well, here it says Fidelity, Wisdom Tree, Vanek, Ark Invest, Galaxy Invest, Invesco, BlackRock are filed for spot ETF, and they're gonna use Coinbase. So what's cool about this is that there's gonna be a lot of money incoming into Coinbase. So for those interested in the stock world and don't care about crypto, it might be a good idea to invest in Coinbase. Let me see the chart, the Coinbase chart. Here's the Coinbase chart. So it was 430, and it's 70 right now. 430. How much would that be? 430 divided by 74. That's almost a 6x. So you multiply your money times 6. You put in $1,000, you'll get 6 grand. You put in 10, you'll get 60 grand on a stock. Investing in stock. So yeah, the Coinbase stock seems pretty cool. Oh, and there's a pattern. Check this out. We have a pattern, you guys. You got the head. Come on, you bitch. Right here, we got a head and shoulders. So let's see if we're able to break this level 84k, we could expect the Coinbase stock to go here. This is our next level of resistance, which is right here. Yeah, right here. Come on. Let me color this thick. Gonna put it red. This is our major level of resistance. And we could see, yeah, 220 for Coinbase stock.
130.
I think it's worth it.
Yeah, that's a lot.
What time is it? We're at 25 minutes. I didn't get to read this article. It says this week on crypto Twitter, Brian Armstrong, which is the guy that the CEO of Coinbase, and Jack Dorsey blast Apple's App Store crypto clampdown. Yeah, that's why one of the main reasons I don't like Apple is because the whole thing they do with the crypto. No, I'm not a fan of it. Because looks like we are getting removed from the App Store even after updating our apps to make it clear that no digital content is getting unlocked when users are tipped. Users are only ever tipped after posts are made. The idea that content is being sold is nonsense. Yeah. Yeah. Apple's on bullshit. They're really restrictive when it comes to crypto. They pretty much remove apps from the App Store. And it's a lot of crypto projects that are getting removed from their app stores. It's pretty much, and that's why Brian Armstrong and Jack Dorsey are talking about it. So that's all I got.
I don't know, Apple's that ass.
I know also there was something going on with the whole submarine thing and the Titanic, how they were using that to cover up other things that are going on behind the scene that's crypto related or something like that. I didn't really look too much into it.
Regarding crypto, yeah, I didn't know about crypto. It's more like political shit.
Or it could be political. Yeah, I didn't really, because there was Crypto Casey that was talking about it, but I didn't have time to look at her content. And she usually covers crypto news. So that's why I'm assuming it's something crypto related.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so I guess let's check our portfolio, see how they're doing. So I'm at 1788. My Solana's doing pretty good. Is that about four Solanas? And then where you're at? Where's Miguel? Miguel is at 1579. And you are at 1715. So I'm still beating you by a couple dollars.
Fucking piece of shit. Pepe, man. Hate him.
I'm beating you by like $70. How's your Pepe doing? Because you put like what, like $30 or 20 bucks? How much did you? No, it was $20, right?
I don't remember. Oh yeah, it was 20. It was 20.
It was $20
on Polkadot, and then it was like $20 on Pepe.
There's still people that believe in Pepe. They're saying, "Oh yeah, it's gonna be parabolic and all this."
Bro, that's just gone, bro. That thing's gone. Unless we get like an in.
But look how much you've made overall, dude. Overall, you have made this much profit. $320 in profit from investment. Doing $70 a week every Sunday. You made an extra $320. How much have I made?
Bitcoin.
Yeah, I made 400.
On the graph one. What is that?
So the graph is pretty much it is considered the Google of blockchain. So you have like, you're able to search stuff on the blockchain.
Right.
Makes it easier, and a lot of projects actually use the graph. And my next buy that I'm looking at is Chainlink. But right now the Solana is where I think it's at. It's like the safer bet. It's still risky. Crypto's risky, but Solana seems to be the safer bet with the greatest reward. And then it's gonna be the Graph and Chainlink. Those are like my medium risk ones.
Damn. I think I'm gonna try some Litecoin.
You're gonna try Litecoin?
I'm gonna see. I put all on Litecoin.
All right, you're gonna.
No, actually, I'll
do all on Litecoin. Because pretty much what
50.
people recommend is having like 50% of your portfolio minimum of 50% should be on Bitcoin, and then the other 50% on whatever you want. Or other people say 75% on Bitcoin, and then the other 25% on altcoins. So it's
50%. 50% is more doable, more believable. Fucking 70%, dude.
Yeah. So right now I'm gonna be focusing on altcoins. I already got my 50% stack of Bitcoin, which is what 1,600. So how much would that be? What's half of that? 1,000. Well, I guess.
800.
Well, I guess once I get my altcoin position back to 1,600, I'm gonna, I guess, figure out if I should take profit from altcoins and put them into Bitcoin, and then keep stacking altcoins. I'm gonna come up with a strategy. But right now, I'm gonna be focused on altcoins since like the altcoin market is down. So which one do you want to do?
I'll do Litecoin.
50. All right, I'm gonna
50
do
Lite and
Solana, and I guess I'll give Miguel Bitcoin just to be safe.
Yeah.
All right, well that's all I got. Got any comments, questions, concerns?
I sent you the link for the Stacy thing. And you don't have to be Stacy. There's other stuff like it's on Messenger.
Oh, on Messenger. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look at it after this then.
Yeah, I'll send it to you if you want to put it in the link. Maybe if anybody's watching and you guys want to, maybe you can put it on the link or something. Just put
Okay,
the
yeah,
link-
I'll put it in
That
in
link.
the description.
that link there, and if you watch it, maybe you still have a chance. Try to get an NFT. It's not only Stacy. There's other K-pop groups as well.
Cool. All right then. Well, that's it, man. All right, y'all.
Peace.
Peace. Oh shit.